You found me. It is your girl KristynAlexis, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On my channel, you are going to get a mix of fashion-related content, but you also are going to get the topics that are near and dear to my heart, which are more career-focused and thought-provoking in nature, where I like to think of it as the best of both worlds.
Thank you for showing me that I can be a great mom, I can have a great career, and I can still be sexy.
She's very positive. She's very inspirational.
What I get from your channel is to live your life unapologetically.
Go ahead, follow my girl.
I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to subscribe so you can become what I like to call a K-star. Hey, what's up, K-star? Be sure to not be a stranger and leave me a comment, as well as turn on your post notifications so you never miss one of my videos in the future. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye-bye. Hey, what's up, K-Stars? So I decided I'm going to try a new recipe today, and I figured why not record it and share with you guys and see if you're interested in trying this recipe out for yourself. So this is a creamy garlic butter Tuscan, and it's supposed to be shrimp, but I'm gonna do Parmesan chicken instead. In my Parmesan chicken, I'm decided to do the crusted Parmesan chicken because I went to Noodles and Company the other day and that's what I got. So we're gonna go ahead and try this recipe out together. You can find all the details for everything I'm cooking today in the description box, and I guess with that, let's go ahead and get into the meal. I guess first I probably should show you guys all of the ingredients that I'll be using, and then we can go ahead and get into it. I don't think this is a really long meal to cook, so hopefully it doesn't take a really long time because it's already getting kind of late here on Saturday night. Okay, so to cook this, you are going to need baby spinach. I've got a yellow onion. You also need sun-dried tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, half and half, milk. You also are going to need some eggs, chicken, garlic, parsley, Italian seasoning, breadcrumbs, and salt and pepper, as well as a little bit of butter. So this recipe does not call for pasta, but in my opinion, it's kind of weird to cook it without pasta, so I'm gonna be cooking it with linguine today. And I guess I'm gonna end up doing that because this recipe is actually very similar to when I make my chicken Alfredo. guys, well that was a pretty short video, but I wanted to show you really quickly the new recipe that I just tried. As I mentioned earlier, I will have links to the recipe in the description box, so be sure to check it out, as well as hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to my channel. But I appreciate you guys watching to the end. Thank you so much, and I love you as always. Bye.